The moment someone disrespects you, they're not testing your weakness, they're testing your boundaries. And if you react the wrong way, even once, you silently teach them how to treat you. I know this because I used to lose that test every time. One sarcastic comment and I'd smile. One joke at my expense and I'd laugh along. Then I'd go home and replay the scene in my head like a punishment. And the worst part? They kept doing it. If you don't understand how disrespect works, you will keep shrinking in rooms you deserve to dominate. So today, we fix that. Not with aggression, not with fake confidence, with control. Let's understand something first. Disrespect doesn't hurt because of the words. It hurts because it challenges your position. Every interaction between people carries invisible hierarchy. When someone interrupts you, mocks you, dismisses you, they're positioning themselves above you, and your reaction decides the final outcome. Most people fail in three ways. They explode emotionally, they laugh it off to avoid tension, or they over-explain themselves to look reasonable. All three responses communicate the same message. You just moved me emotionally. And once someone knows they can move you, they will keep pushing. But here's the truth that changed everything for me. Disrespect is often insecurity trying to feel taller. Confident people don't belittle others. Secure people don't test boundaries for fun. When you understand this, you stop taking it personally. But awareness alone isn't power. Execution is. And the first move is silence. When someone disrespects you, your body wants to react instantly. Don't. Pause. Look at them calmly. No forced smile. No visible anger. No rushed defense. Just steady eye contact. Silence creates pressure because they expected reaction. They expected emotional chaos. Instead, you gave them stillness. And stillness makes insecure people uncomfortable. When I started doing this, something shifted. People who used to joke at my expense suddenly changed tone. Why? Because disrespect feeds on emotional reward. If they get anger, they win. If they get embarrassment, they win. If they get over-explanation, they win. But if they get nothing, they feel exposed. However, silence alone isn't enough if the behavior continues. And this is where most people get uncomfortable. Because now, you have to speak. Not loudly, not emotionally, clearly. If disrespect repeats, you address it once, privately, calmly. No speech, no emotional story, no shouting, just clarity. I don't appreciate that. Let's not go there again. That's it. When you over-explain your boundary, you weaken it. Strong standards don't beg for understanding. They exist. Now watch carefully what happens next. If the person respects you, they adjust. If they resist, mock, or minimize your boundary, you just discovered their real character. And sometimes the problem isn't communication, it's access. Walking away is not dramatic, it's strategic. If someone repeatedly disrespects you after you've shown calm and set a boundary, staying becomes self-betrayal. Your presence is access. Access is earned. When I removed certain people from my life, I wasn't punishing them. I was protecting my peace. And something powerful happened. I stopped shrinking. You teach people how to treat you by what you tolerate. Disrespect continues because it is tolerated, not because it is powerful. The moment you remove access, dynamics shift. And suddenly, the same people who felt comfortable disrespecting you start feeling your absence. But there's one final shift that makes you untouchable. Here's the deeper truth. Disrespect is projection. When someone tries to belittle you, they reveal their internal state, their insecurity, their envy, their need to dominate. Secure individuals don't attack others for sport. So instead of asking, "What's wrong with me?" ask, "What is this revealing about them?" That single question changes everything. You stop absorbing, you start observing. And when you observe instead of absorb, you become emotionally immune. True power isn't humiliating someone back. It's remaining grounded while they try to shake you. From now on, remember this system. Calm first, boundary second, exit if needed, observe always. The day people realize they can't provoke you is the day they stop trying. Because nothing confuses insecure minds more than someone they cannot control. And that is how you deal with people who disrespect you.